Top 30 Smartest Animals in the World. Some of the most intelligent creatures in the animal kingdom include dolphins, rats, pigeons, cats, and baboons. However, comparing their intelligence is no easy task. Each species has evolved unique abilities tailored to its environment, making direct comparisons complex and often unfair. 16. Cats. Cats are known for their problem-solving skills, memory, and adaptability. A 2020 study explored domestic cats' cognitive abilities, finding they can remember their owner's voice and recognize their name, indicating social intelligence. Cats also use social learning and can adapt to complex environments. Another study suggests cats may be smarter than dogs, noting that despite having smaller brains, cats have nearly twice as many cortical neurons. Some researchers believe cats and dogs are equally intelligent, but cats' independent nature makes them harder to study. 17. Whales. Whales display their intelligence through cooperation and communication. For example, humpback whales use bubble net feeding, a collaborative hunting technique that demonstrates advanced cooperation and planning. It works like a fishing net to help them catch their prey. Studies show that these whales have complete control over the behavior, which is not random but highly structured and choreographed. They even manufacture tools for this purpose. Research on orca whales shows they have distinct vocal dialects and form strong emotional bonds, even showing empathy by helping other species in distress. 18. Horses. Horses may not always get the credit they deserve, but these intelligent animals can understand human emotions. A study showed that domestic horses can recognize emotions through visual and auditory cues. When shown images of human facial expressions with matching vocalizations, they focused longer on mismatched pairs, and their heart rate and behavior changed accordingly. Further research from Nottingham Trent University found that horses are more cognitively advanced than previously thought. They quickly adapted to a learning task once a penalty was introduced, suggesting they use advanced learning strategies. 19. Wolves. Wolves are highly cooperative animals, relying on teamwork for survival in hunting, territory defense, and raising offspring. They also engage in post-conflict strategies like consoling and calming others. Wolves may be more cognitively advanced than dogs in some areas. Unlike dogs, wolves can make connections between cause and effect. 20. Sea lions. Rio, a highly intelligent sea lion, can pass IQ tests and understand the concept of equivalence. But she's not alone in her intelligence. In 2016, scientists mapped a sea lion's brain for the first time, revealing fascinating details. They found that sea lions have specialized brain regions for processing sensory input from their whiskers, similar to those in mice and rats. Each whisker has a corresponding area in the brainstem, just like how human brains map individual fingers. The study also discovered a developed area for touch sensation from their flippers and tails, surprising researchers considering the small size of their tail. 21st. Ravens. Ravens are known for hiding food and returning to it later, demonstrating memory and foresight. They can also mimic human speech, though they may not always follow commands. Research shows ravens are highly social and intelligent, forming foraging groups with dominance hierarchies and social bonds. They remember former group members, understand third-party relationships, and use social knowledge in conflicts and alliances. These behaviors, such as forming alliances and intervening in social interactions, suggest ravens engage in activities akin to politics. Their intelligence is comparable to that of other socially complex species, like primates. 22nd. Capuchin monkeys. Capuchin monkeys are highly resourceful in the wild, using tools like limestone and quartz to crack open nuts, demonstrating their ability to manipulate objects for specific tasks. Younger monkeys learn these skills by observing older ones. In one study, female capuchins alternated receiving different foods, and the results showed consistent reciprocity in food sharing, not tied to their social relationships. They also consider the quality of the food when sharing, limiting the transfer of high-quality items. This behavior shows their sophisticated understanding of value and fairness. 23rd. Baboons. Baboons have complex social structures and problem-solving skills. A study showed they understand basic numerical concepts. In trials with olive baboons, they successfully picked the larger number of peanuts 75% of the time when the quantities were distinguishable. This ability to estimate and compare numbers is similar to that of children. What's surprising is that without any prior training, these animals can solve numerical problems. Another study also found that baboons can learn to distinguish real English words from made-up ones. 24. Raccoons. Raccoons are expert scavengers, and if you've tried to stop them from raiding your trash, you know how intelligent they can be. In one study, raccoons demonstrated the ability to solve puzzles and unlock complex latches, which helps them navigate urban environments. This adaptability and resourcefulness highlight their intelligence, which plays a key role in their survival, particularly in human-dominated areas. The study shows that raccoons' problem-solving skills are vital for their success in challenging environments. 25th. Ants. Ants may be small with even smaller brains, but they excel at collaboration, inspiring Harvard scientists. Researchers studied ants' physical intelligence to design robots. The goal was to create robot collectives that replicate ants' ability to adapt to environmental changes and work together efficiently, demonstrating how these tiny creatures can achieve remarkable feats through teamwork and collective effort. 26. Llamas. Llamas are fast learners, making training easy. With just a few repetitions, they quickly master behaviors like wearing a halter, getting in and out of vehicles, pulling carts, and carrying backpacks. Studies show that llamas can also learn by observation. Llamas that watched humans or other llamas solve problems performed better than those who didn't see demonstrations, showcasing their ability to learn from others and apply new skills. 27th. Hyenas. Spotted hyenas display advanced social behavior and decision-making based on an understanding of social dynamics. They live in large hierarchical groups and form coalitions that depend on social intelligence to navigate conflicts and alliances. Hyenas have impressive memory, able to recall the rank and relationships of many individuals in their group, which aids in making social decisions. In problem-solving tasks, spotted hyenas outperform chimpanzees, demonstrating superior teamwork. This ability mirrors their real-world group hunting strategies, where cooperation is key. 28th. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are masters of camouflage and possess the ability to count. They also demonstrate remarkable self-control, delaying gratification for up to 130 seconds to receive a better food reward, behavior typically seen in large-brained vertebrates. Additionally, cuttlefish with better self-control excelled in learning tasks, suggesting a connection between self-regulation and cognitive performance. 29th. Gorillas. Gorillas are known for their problem-solving skills, use of tools, and emotional depth. They can even learn sign language, as demonstrated by Coco, who learned over 1,000 signs to communicate with humans. Studies suggest that modern gorillas may have higher cognitive abilities than early human ancestors from 3 million years ago, highlighting their advanced problem-solving skills and complex behaviors. 30. Magpies. Magpies are capable of recognizing themselves in mirrors, using tools, and demonstrating complex behaviors such as planning and strategizing. However, research shows that their intelligence is shaped more by early social experiences than genetics. Magpies raised in larger social groups perform better cognitively than those raised in smaller groups, highlighting the importance of social environment in their intellectual development.